Hi, my name is Sharita Titus, and I wanted to take just a moment to do a brief testimonial about Jenny Jones. Jenny Jones is such a professional, and he is very knowledgeable about integrating technology and marketing together. If you are thinking or have even considered hiring Jenny to assist you, I would say look no further. He is the truth. He is the real deal. He shoots it straight forward. He tells you what works and what doesn't work so that you don't waste your time and you don't waste your money.
How you doing? My name is Dr. Obed Magni. I am the founder and CEO of Magni Leadership. And I cannot express how happy I am working with Mr. Jenny Jones. He's been helping me put my courses online, pretty much almost seamless. There's been some tech issues, but the great thing about working with Mr. Jones is he's very responsive, and he's going to be with you every step of the way. So I would highly recommend him to anybody who's interested in, putting courses online, anything having to do with tech. I just can't think of a better person to go on this journey with as I'm working on building my brand and my business. So, Mr. Jenny Jones, thank you.
I only met Jenny Jones virtually, but Jenny's always been there to answer my questions, and he has a very kind, giving heart, and he's given me excellent advice as far as social media platforms go, and he's been right every single time. In fact, I ran into an issue with one of my social media platforms. I put an SOS out on social media, and he called me. He called me and he walked me through it. He is full of wisdom, full of kindness. You cannot go wrong with Jenny Jones.
I just want to give a great big shout out and a special thank you to Mr. Jenny Jones for helping me on my current projects. If you have not had an opportunity to work with him, I just encourage you to do so. He helped me to revamp my website, you guys. Not only did he give the website a whole new look, but he took all of the ideas and dreams that I had on the inside of me, and he helped me to make it make sense, right? So you guys, again, if you have not worked with him, I encourage you, if you have any ideas and any dreams, reach out to Mr. Jenny Jones. Allow him to help you create your new programs, your new website, whatever the case may be. I just guarantee that he will not disappoint you.